Hi friends. In this video we will explain how to add bank details in Tally GST Invoice. This is helpful for your customer to transfer amount. From Gateway of Tally, click on Configure button from the bottom right side. Click on Printing. Click on Sales Transaction. Then click on Sales Invoice. Tally displays Invoice Printing Configure window. In this window, Print Bank Details option is set to Yes. Then select your bank. Then Ctrl+A to save changes. Open any sales invoice, then click on Print. Now Tally print your bank details in your GST invoice.
Visit our website www.accounts4tutorials.com.